A directory website is one of the easiest websites to build and maintain, and it can be highly profitable. Businesses need visibility, and people are always searching for local services. Your directory connects them effortlessly, making it a win-win. If you're planning to create a directory website, GeoDirectory is hands down one of the best tools available. It's powerful, flexible, and packed with features that help you build a successful, profitable, and user-friendly directory website. Here's why GeoDirectory stands out from other directory plugins and how it can transform your digital marketing strategy. 1. Works with any WordPress theme. One of the biggest pain points when using plugins is theme compatibility. With GeoDirectory, you don't have to worry. It seamlessly integrates with any WordPress theme, so you can maintain your existing design without needing to start from scratch. Plus, it works with popular page builders like Elementor and Divi, making customization effortless. You get full control over the look and feel of your directory without dealing with complicated coding. 2. Built to scale. Whether you're starting a small local directory or a massive global listing platform, GeoDirectory has the power to handle it all. Unlike other directory plugins that slow down as your database grows, GeoDirectory is lightweight and optimized for performance. That means your directory will stay fast and responsive, no matter how many listings you add. 3. Advanced search and filtering. A great directory isn't just about having listings, it's about making those listings easy to find. GeoDirectory includes powerful search and filtering options, allowing users to search by location, category, custom fields like price range, opening hours, or ratings, keywords. This makes it easier for visitors to quickly find the businesses they need, leading to a better user experience. 4. Front-end submission. Managing a directory manually can be overwhelming. That's why GeoDirectory allows businesses to submit their own listings through an easy-to-use front-end form. You can approve submissions manually or set them to auto-publish for a seamless experience. This keeps your directory fresh and up-to-date without you having to do all the work yourself. 5. Multiple ways to make money. Want to turn your directory into a profitable business? GeoDirectory gives you multiple revenue-generating options, including paid listings. You can charge businesses to get featured in your directory. Membership plans. Offer them premium placement for paying businesses. Sponsored listings. Highlight top businesses for a fee. Affiliate marketing and ads. Place ads or use affiliate links for extra income. With built-in payment gateway support, you can effortlessly monetize your directory without hassle. 6. Expand with add-ons. Every directory has unique needs, and GeoDirectory understands that. That's why it offers a wide range of add-ons to expand your site's functionality. Some of the most popular add-ons include multi-location support. It allows you to create directories for different cities or regions. Events integration. Allow businesses to list events. User reviews and ratings. Let customers leave reviews on listings. Custom fields. And so much more. This flexibility means you can build exactly the directory website you envision, no limits. 7. Active community and support. Unlike some directory plugins that leave you stranded, GeoDirectory has a strong support team and active user community. Whether you need troubleshooting help or customization tips, you'll always find guidance. Their documentation is well organized and beginner-friendly, making setup and management a breeze. If you want to create a highly profitable, user-friendly, and scalable directory website, GeoDirectory is really the best choice. It combines ease of use, powerful features, and monetization tools, making it the ultimate directory solution for digital marketing and local business promotion. If you want to learn how to build a directory website with GeoDirectory, check our article in the link that can be found in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing tips and strategies.